Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Lechon Paksiw. Start with the essential ingredients for a delicious Lechon Paksiw. You'll need about 2 pounds of leftover lechon, ideally with some crispy skin for texture. Combine 1 cup of lechon sauce, half a cup of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Don't forget 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 large onion, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Finally, have 2 cups of water or lechon broth ready. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your minced garlic and sliced onions until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add your leftover lechon pieces, stirring them gently to coat. Pour in the lechon sauce, vinegar, soy sauce, and your water or broth. Bring this flavorful mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 30 minutes. To deepen the flavors, add the bay leaves and whole peppercorns to your simmering Lechon Paksiw. Continue to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the lechon meat is wonderfully tender and easily pulls apart. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure everything cooks evenly and to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pot. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with a little more soy sauce or vinegar if desired. Your delicious Lechon Paksiw is now ready. Before serving, remember to remove the bay leaves. Carefully transfer the flavorful lechon and its rich sauce to a serving platter. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Serve this hearty dish hot with plenty of steamed white rice for a truly satisfying and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.